Rising energy costs have many Loves Park homeowners looking for practical ways to reduce monthly expenses without sacrificing comfort. One of the most effective home upgrades for long-term savings is replacing inefficient windows with a style designed for superior performance. Casement windows are increasingly popular in Loves Park because of their exceptional energy efficiency, tight ceiling, and ability to support natural ventilation, helping homeowners save money year after year. Here's how casement windows deliver real energy savings for Loves Park homes. Compression seals that stop energy loss. One of the biggest causes of high energy bills is air leakage. Casement windows are hinged on the side and close by pressing firmly against the frame when locked, creating a compression seal. This tight seal prevents drafts during cold winters, keeps conditioned air inside during hot summers, reduces strain on heating and cooling systems, maintains consistent indoor temperatures compared to sliding or single-hung windows. Casement windows seal more tightly, making them especially efficient in Loves Park's seasonal climate. Better insulation for cold winters. Loves Park winters can be long and cold, and poorly insulated windows allow heat to escape quickly. Casement windows are commonly paired with insulated glass options that help retain warmth. Energy-efficient features include double or triple pane glass argon gas fills to slow heat transfer, warm edge spacers that reduce condensation. These features work together to keep warm air inside, lowering heating costs throughout the winter. Reduced cooling costs in summer. During warmer months, keeping cool air inside is just as important. Casement windows block hot outdoor air effectively when closed, helping air conditioners work more efficiently. Homeowners benefit from reduced heat infiltration, less frequent AC cycling, lower cooling expenses, improved indoor comfort. The tight seal of casement windows is especially valuable during summer heat waves. Natural ventilation cuts energy use. Casement windows open outward, allowing them to catch breezes and funnel fresh air into the home. This makes them ideal for natural ventilation during mild weather. Using outdoor air instead of HVAC reduces energy consumption, improves indoor air quality, keeps rooms comfortable without added cost in spring and fall. Many Loves Park homeowners rely less on heating and cooling thanks to efficient ventilation. More natural light without heat loss. Casement windows typically feature large, unobstructed glass areas that bring in abundant natural light. Increased daylight reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, another way to save energy. At the same time, low-E glass coatings reflect heat. UV protection prevents interior fading. Comfort is maintained year-round. Homeowners enjoy brighter spaces without higher energy bills. Durable frames maintain efficiency over time. Casement windows are available in frame materials designed to hold their shape and maintain tight seals despite temperature changes. Popular options include vinyl frames for excellent insulation and low-maintenance, fiberglass frames for strength and stability, composite materials engineered for efficiency. Durable frames help ensure energy savings last for years. Professional installation maximizes savings. Even the most efficient casement window won't perform properly if installed incorrectly. Professional installation ensures accurate fitting within the opening, complete insulation around the frame, secure sealing against air leaks. Proper installation is essential to achieving maximum energy savings. A smart investment for Loves Park homeowners. Casement windows offer Loves Park homeowners a powerful combination of tight ceiling, excellent insulation, and natural ventilation, all of which contribute to lower energy bills. By reducing heat loss in winter, blocking heat in summer, and supporting efficient airflow year-round, casement windows help homeowners save money without sacrificing comfort. If you're looking to improve efficiency and control energy costs, upgrading to casement windows is a smart investment that delivers lasting financial and comfort benefits for your Loves Park home.